Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start lead generation with Google Ads, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start lead generation with Google Ads, you'll first need to create a Google Ads account. Visit the Google Ads website and click on the Start Now button. Fill in your business information, including your email address and website URL. Once your account is set up, you'll be taken to the campaign creation page. Choose your campaign goal by selecting leads to focus on lead generation. Next, select the campaign type, which is search for text ads that appear on Google search results. Now, you'll need to set your campaign name. Choose a name that clearly reflects the campaign's purpose. Set your daily budget based on how much you're willing to spend on ads. Pick your bidding strategy, such as maximize conversions to optimize for leads. Next, define your target audience by setting geographic locations based on where you want your ads to appear. Refine your audience using demographics like age, gender, and language. Proceed to the keywords section where you will enter terms relevant to your business. Use the Keyword Planner tool to find keywords that potential customers are searching for. Create ad groups by grouping your keywords into relevant themes or categories. Now, write engaging ad copy that highlights your unique selling points. Include relevant call-to-action phrases, encouraging users to take the next step. After your ads are created, review and finalize your campaign settings. Ensure all information is accurate and reflects your business objectives. Once you're satisfied, click on the Publish button to launch your campaign. Monitor your campaign performance regularly through the Google Ads dashboard. Make adjustments as needed based on the data to improve lead generation over time. Finally, keep experimenting with different ad copies and keywords for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.